Hey guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a autumn/winter try-on clothing haul because if you didn't know, I love shopping and I just thought it would be quite fun to share with you guys some of the things which I've been buying recently. And pretty much all of these clothes are for like autumn and winter, so they're mostly like jumpers and warm clothes because if you didn't know, England where I live is very cold at this time of the year. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I don't think I have too much else to say, so let's just get on with the video. So the first shop I'm going to show you is Shein. Shein very kindly let me pick 2 clothes from their website to share with you guys, so I'm going to show you what they sent me. So the first thing which they sent me, I'm absolutely obsessed with, like I've been wearing it non-stop, and it is a teddy bear jacket. I just think these jackets look so good with every like outfit. They're literally the comfiest things to wear and they're so soft. Like this is the softest one I've ever felt. Like I went into New Look, felt theirs. It is not as nice as this one. This one's so soft and so fleecy and so comfortable. I don't know what colour you describe this, like a kind of brownie, I don't know what colour it is, but you can kind of see on camera. And it's got 2 pockets at the front and it's got a zip, but I tend to just wear it open so you can see like my top. Like the perfect length because it's not too long. So I've seen quite a lot of teddy bear jackets in shops that are really long, and personally I just prefer like a length like this. And this one's really affordable as well. Basically, if you don't know, Shein's like a really like affordable online shop. Yeah, a lot of teddy bear jackets are like £70–80, but this one's like 25 maybe. I also have a discount code for you guys, so if you want to get an extra 15% off this jacket, you can use the code Louisa15, which will be on the screen and down below, so you can get it for even cheaper, which is so good. So I definitely recommend this jacket, and I'll link it down below if you want to purchase it. And the next thing which I got from Shein was this top, and I think this top's so nice. Like, I feel like these tops are really in at the moment with this like zip top. I also have another one of these kind of tops which I'll show you later on in the haul, but it's just like a white long sleeve top with a red, white and black stripe going along the middle and a thin one down the sleeves, which I think adds a lot of detail, and I feel like it looks quite sporty. It's kind of cropped, but I wear high-waisted jeans so you like can't see my stomach, but yeah, I think this is super cute. Again, I'll link this down below and you can use the discount code for this top as well, and it's really cheap. I can't actually remember the price, but I think it's under £10. Okay, so I'm now going to move on to the clothes which I bought with my own money. So the first place which I went into was H&M, and I bought 2 clothes from here because H&M are killing it at the moment. Like they've got so many nice like winter, autumn clothes, so I definitely recommend to check them out. First of which I got is this jumper. I am literally obsessed with this jumper at the moment. Like my mum knows. I've been wearing it like 3 days in a row because it's actually the comfiest jumper. It's such a nice soft material and I'm just loving the colour of it. It's like a really lovely grey colour and it's like literally the softest material ever, and it keeps you so warm, especially when it's really cold. Like this with a coat will keep you so warm. It's such a nice jumper. It was £20, which I don't think is too bad for like a really nice jumper. And the last thing which I got in H&M is this jumper. I absolutely love this jumper. I think it's so nice. Again, it's just grey and in like navy blue writing along the front it says Manhattan USA. Same as the Shein top, it's got like this zip along like the top half bit, and again I think this adds a lot of detail. And I think the zip's really like in trend at the moment for tops, and it's got a blue stripe down the sleeves as well. Again, it's kind of cropped, but you really can't see much stomach when you wear it with high-waisted jeans. And unlike the white one from Shein, it's got like fleece inside, so it keeps you really warm. Like I was so surprised how warm this kept me when it was really cold when I was wearing it the other day. It's so soft. And I got mine in a size extra small and I ordered it offline, so loving that. I'm going to move on to New Look. So the first thing which I got is a jumper, and I got this from the 915 generation, which if you don't know New Look, it's like their teenage range, and it's just like this cream kind of jumper with navy blue stripes going along it. And yeah, I think this is a really cute jumper. Again, it's a really nice thick material, so it's going to keep me really warm for the winter. Again, it's kind of cropped, but you can't see any stomach because I wear high-waisted jeans, which I've said about a million times throughout this video. But yeah, it's not as soft as the other ones, but it's still a really nice material, and I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot throughout the winter and autumn time. Cost me £14.99, which I don't think is too bad for a really good quality jumper. And the last thing I got in New Look was a t-shirt, which is probably like the least autumny, wintery piece of clothing that I got, but I really loved it when I saw it on the website, so I decided to pick it up. And it's this t-shirt, it's like navy blue, and in the middle it says Color Basis, California, Los Angeles, and then it's got like the flag, USA. And I saw like the exact same top in H&M and it was £8.99, and I was like, I don't want to pay that when I've got about a million t-shirts sat in my drawer at home. But then I was looking on the New Look website and I saw this in the sale for £2, so I was like, I need to buy it because it's just such a cute top. Like, you can just wear it with anything. You can wear it with jeans and just like layer it up with like coats and jumpers. Yeah, and I love this navy blue colour on me, and I got it in age 12 to 13, and it fits really, really nicely. And yeah, I just absolutely love this, and I've been wearing it a lot. And the next shop I went into was Hollister, and this is the only thing which isn't clothes, but I thought I'd show it anyway because why not? Hollister, I got this spray. It's like in a really pretty packaging. It was in this sale for £3.99, which I think is really good because it used to be like £14, and it's in the scent vanilla and frozen berries, so I thought I'd show you it because it's like a really kind of wintry scent, and I love vanilla scents for like the winter time. I cannot wait to use this over the next few months. And the last shop I went into was Topshop. If you have been on my channel for a while, you probably know that Topshop's like one of my favourite shops ever. But I only managed to pick one thing up because Topshop is fairly expensive, and I don't actually have a lot of money at the moment that I want to spend. I'm trying to save my money. But I did find one thing that I really liked, and it's these like jogging bottoms. They're just grey. They're like tight jogging bottoms. They're kind of like leggings but joggers at the same time, because they've got these like drawstrings, and they are literally the softest material. Like, you can't really see on camera, but they're so like fluffy and soft, and I've just been wearing these to like lounge about in at home, and they're so comfy. I literally live in them, and I know I'm going to be wearing them so much in the winter time. And yeah, they're just basic joggers, but they're such good quality, and these were £22, but they're Topshop and they're really, really nice. And I got mine in a size UK 8. And that is the last item which I'm going to show you in my haul. As I said, I didn't buy a lot of stuff, but I thought it was enough to like make into a haul. I'll probably buy some more clothes like over the next few months, but I just kind of wanted to get this video up now. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all next week for a new video. Bye!